Welcome to Singing with Ron.
We're going to start with the usual kind of stretching, and I want you to reach up and go s s s s s s, and we're going to twist s s s s s s. Cool. And this is something I found on Eccentrics, and which is s s. I'm just kind of modifying it, so we're going to do 8 times up and then 8 times down while we do a s. Ready? So we'll start s s s s s s s s s s s s. Good, very good. And we'll bend forward and relax your head and suck in down here. You want to feel like all of this is coming from down here. And we'll go good and rolling on up. And as you roll on up, actually go back down. We'll roll on up and we'll just sway side to side. And tuck your tailbone in a little bit. Good. And reach up. And we'll do one more. Good. So, today is all about finding your mix and basically just how to go over your breaks and smoothly and stuff like that. So, but we'll still start with our usual kind of. Feeling this right from down here. You can roll your R if you like, and makes it easier. Good. And now let's do a little siren on it. Good. So, the first, so basically, our vocal folds come together in thick or chest voice, and they can also come together in what is head voice or falsetto or a breathy tone. Ooh, so chest voice is down here like this, and falsetto, ooh, or head voice. And then we have a voice that's in between called mix, where your vocal folds come more together like this. And chest voice we experience down here, and head voice we experience up here. And then we've got this mixy sound that happens in between. And so as we start to, some people find it easier to find their mix from their chest voice, and then some people find it easier from their head voice. So we'll try a little bit of both today. So the first one we're going to do is grr, grr, grr. And so what you want to do is find that kind of Kermit the Frog feeling. And as you do this, feel like nothing is going to change. And then we'll do E. Try to keep everything in the same place. One of the reasons why people crack or go is they don't have enough forward resonance or twang in their sound. So don't put the back here, but Try to feel it nice and forward. And now we'll do that one on again. And let's go oh, nice and forward. And then let's do ah, ah. Good. So as you notice, while you're doing this, as you go back and forth, you feel like something is shifting, even though nothing is actually physically moving. You want that shift to happen. So that is you shifting from chest voice more into a mix, or into even up head voice up in the top. So let's try, we'll do some ah. I really feel the shift in this. Ah. Ready? Ah. Ah. And the secret to this one is making it really, really ugly. And forward, not you really will feel a break if you put it back. So you really want to insist on good. Good. If you feel this getting too high, or you feel like a scratch, tickle, cough, just drop down the octave. So I let it go into falsetto right at the top. Good. Another exercise that I've been doing recently that I kind of came up with Sharon and some students is bringing the head voice down into the chest, so sounds can either be kind of like a chest dominant sound in some people's voices, or a head dominant voice. Head dominant sound, and so we're trying to find this lovely mix in the middle. And so this exercise is for bringing your head down into your chest voice. So we're going to do it on ooh. And I'm doing it in falsetto for the ladies. And we'll try it here. We'll start here. But the guys can go, oh. But ladies, ready? Don't go too far into your chest voice as you go down. So you can hear there, I'm starting to go into more of a chest. So that's a mix. The other thing that really helps you to find your mix is that chest voice is very easy and you don't need a lot of effort for it, right? It's ba 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 ba, right? We talk there all day. We don't have to put in a lot of effort, as well as our head voice. Hey, I don't need to expend a lot of energy in order to talk up there in my head voice. But if you watch my face, oh, morning phlegm. Ooh, ooh, see how my face is engaging? And my body is engaging as well, so that I don't go into, that I find more of that mixy sound. So let's try that. Good. So that's a fun one for bringing down your head voice instead of going up. So another exercise that I do with people to just help finding more forwardness in their voice, so that they can keep finding that resonance and finding the mix is we'll start here. Digga 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 dig dig dig. So digga digga digga, and then dig 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 at the end. Ready? And then we'll work down. Digga 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 dig dig dig. Digga 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 dig dig dig. Digga 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 dig dig dig. Keep it really forward. Digga 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 dig dig dig. 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 Very forward. Digga 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 dig dig dig. Digga 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 dig dig dig. Digga 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 dig dig dig. That's pretty low. Now let's do ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. So the secret, so that you find your mix, is not to change the vowel and to find a brighter vowel. Don't ba 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 ba, but more ba ba like in pizza, and finding that forward ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Don't let the vowel change. Ba 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 ba. Be nice and anchored. Ba 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 ba. 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 Good. Ba 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 ba. Yeah, don't let anything change. Ba 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 ba. And feel the shift happen between your voices. Ba 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 ba. For guys, you're gonna start going up into like clown voicey sounds up here. Hey, oh, or like mildly shouty. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. One more. Ba 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 ba. Morning. Good. So another really great exercise for feeling the shift but nothing changing is using semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. So without having a straw. Maybe we'll have like a straw day one day. Zzz, but let's do it on zzz. And if you don't like zzz, you can do zh or v or th, one of those. And we're gonna go zzz. And as you go up to the highest note, you'll really feel the zzz, the shift happen. Zzz, ready? Good. And guys, you might start going into falsetto now, or it's gonna, but you want it to. So there's gonna be a bit of a crack. One more. And one more. So I was thinking that if people want, you can post some of your favorite vocal warm-ups to the group, and maybe we can incorporate them in. And so your favorite warm-up and why it's your favorite, and don't be afraid to post other things to the group. And thanks, guys. Have a great week, and I'll take it off record.